All right, so this one says complete the square for the following quadratic equation and its solutions to locate the extreme value. So we're going to do the same thing that we did last time. Last time, though, we ran into a snag. It doesn't cross the x-axis. In other words, y doesn't equal 0. But we'll see if it works with this one. And then ultimately, we can just graph it. But this is the section on completing the square. So we're going to say 0 is equal to negative x squared plus 4x plus 12. Now, I really like it if this right here, this negative 1, is a positive 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide everything by negative 1. It just makes things easier. If I'm able to factor it, then I can. Or, I mean, if I'm able to complete the square, I almost always want that a term to be 1. You could do it the other way, but this will make it easier. So anyway, 0 divided by negative 1 is 0. Negative 1 divided by negative 1 is just x squared. 4 divided by negative 1 is minus 4x. And then 12 divided by negative 1 is negative 12. Again, we're going to move the constant to the other side, add 12 to both sides of the equation. And my goal, I've got 12, is equal to x squared minus 4x. My goal is to get a couple of x's on one side and then the constant on the other side of the equal sign. I'm going to add something to both sides. What am I going to add? B divided by 2 squared. Well, what's b divided by 2? Yeah, it's going to be, oops, why did I write it down like that? I'm going to plug in negative 4, right? I got negative 4 divided by 2, which is really just negative 2, right? And then, so I'm going to square negative 2 here. So this will be like negative 2 squared. But what's negative 2 squared? It's a positive 4. So I'm going to add 4 on this side. So this problem looks like it's rigged up pretty nice. What's 4 plus 12? 16. Then I got x squared. Oh, wait. So here's the interesting thing. I wrote this way on purpose because notice that this is negative 2 squared. And I have x squared here, so then this would be x minus 2 squared. Now, if you don't believe me, we can multiply it out real quick. If I do this little thing, and then I multiply it out, if I say x minus 2 times x minus 2, I get x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. Write that down. What's negative 2 plus negative 2? It's negative 4x, right? So those two middle terms. In other words, this x minus 2 squared is the same as x squared minus 4x minus, or actually plus 4. So anyways, what do I do next? I'm going to take the square root. Remember, I'm doing plus or minus on this side. The square root undoes the square. So in my next line, I'm going to get x minus 2. And then over here, what's the square root of 16? 4. So I got plus or minus 4. So then I add 2 to both sides. And I get 2 plus or minus 4 equals x. That means x is equal to 2 plus 4, which is 6, or x equals 2 minus 4, which is negative 2. Those are my two solutions. Right there. Any questions? All right. Now, I honestly think that we could probably, let me zoom out on this.